Okay, so we continue to bring in the bulbs inside. So the way I will do it is extend this suspension or duplicate this and something like this, copy it and edit and reduce the length somewhere here. Okay, and I can increase the thickness just a little bit and then duplicate it, copy, and I can reduce. What I'm trying to do is making a base, so this will be much thicker, wider. Okay, and then from this we will branch out our bulbs. Fine, so I will duplicate this. Okay, this will be a smaller platform where my candle bulb will be standing. So duplicate again, snap it, and I can reduce the thickness of this. Okay, reduce thickness and then snap this. This is going to be much less wider and it goes way up, something like this. And here at the top I can create, okay, let's turn off the thickness here and then I'll just make a shape, something like this, and I can modify it. So let's align the bottom and the top together and align the pivot. I have a shortcut, align the pivot. Fine, so now if I give the modifier late, this is the shape I get and I can modify it. Let's enable show end result and then this is how I can modify it. Select all the points and click smooth. So that's about good. And now what we need to do is we need to give a little bit of a thickness, shell modifier, and before I do it, just come over here and click on weld core, so it will fix any of the problems. Okay, so the thickness we have to reduce, just make it just a little bit of thickness. We need to connect the two. We need to show a small little bridge. So what we can do is create a line that connects and we can give the thickness, and this is our bridge. Of course we have to adjust it, reduce the thickness, and of course we have to align this, bring this up. Okay, we can group it, so all of this can be grouped together. Yeah, so the reason I want to group is what I would like to do is open the group and select this container. This container pivot, I would like to align it to the center so that I can rotate it around easily. So edit the pivot mode, Alt A, and select this base and pivot point, pivot to the center, X and Y. Click OK. And now you close the group, it goes back. So just enable the pivot point, it will update. Okay, so now you can see the pivot is here in the center, but if you press the rotate button again, you need to enable your pivot so that it updates. Okay, I'll close back the edit pivot and now I can rotate it around. So let's do it then. How many copies do I want? Just in total I want 4. So if the size is small, we can increase it. So let's select all, and we can increase and see how that goes. Okay, we can increase it somewhere like that, and we can then reduce the bridge length and just bring it inside, something like this. Okay, and this bridge we can also reduce it. So what about the copy? The easiest way is to copy it again. So just 90 and hit 1 2 3. So that's it. So this is where we have completed modeling this Pandora lamp. Next we would have to apply the material and do the lighting. Okay, we have to give a nice mode effect. All right, thank you for watching.